How to fix Face ID not available on iPhone. Let's get started. Launch your Settings app. Scroll down, head towards the option of Face ID and passcode. Now enter your phone's passcode. Now over here you will find this option of Reset Face ID. Click on it and reset your Face ID. Likewise, heading towards next solution, head back, go to the main page of settings, open this option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. Now slide this icon to the right to turn off your phone. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back and check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, heading towards next solution, open this option Software Update. Check if any updates are available for your device. If you found any updates for your device, just update your phone software to its latest version. Likewise, head back. Scroll all the way down, click on the option of Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset All Settings. Now type in your passcode over here and continue with the process. If you still encounter the issue, you can first restart your device. For that, press and quickly release the volume up button, press and quickly release the volume down button, press and hold the side button. When Apple logo appears, release the side button. By applying all these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can fix Face ID not available on iPhone. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.